Hello everyone, welcome to Original Craft Oasis where creativity blooms. Join us on a journey of intricate pencil drawing on natural sceneries as we explore the beauty of nature through the delicate stroke of Original Craft Oasis vision. Subscribe for a captivating visual odyssey filled with the essence of blooming art history. Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Original Craft Oasis, where each pencil stroke tells a story of petals and leaves and mountains. Discover the secrets behind creating stunning natural sceneries on paper as Original Craft Oasis bring life to her canvas with passion and skills. Don't miss the chance to witness the magic unfold. Subscribe, like, and let the art blossom on Original Craft Oasis channel. As Original Craftosis invites you to explore the mesmerizing realm of botanical beauty through her meticulous pencil drawings, delve into a world where natural sceneries come to life on vases, each stroke capturing the essence of nature's grace. Join my channel on this artistry odyssey as she transforms blank canvases into breathtaking masterpieces, inviting viewer into a garden of captivity. Thank you so much for watching.